Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi, everyone. I am Jake, and today I have a confession to make.
Oh, a confession? That sounds interesting. What happened, Jake?
So, this morning, I was waiting at the bus stop, and there was this person standing next to me, very nice looking, and I wanted to say something, but I just stood there in complete silence.
Oh no, the silent freeze.
Yes, the bus came, they got on, and I never said a word. I just watched them go.
Ah, Jake, that has happened to all of us, at least once.
It was so painful, Alice. I had so many things I wanted to say, but nothing came out.
Well, today is your lucky day because today's topic is exactly that, how to talk to someone you like for the first time in English and how to ask for their number.
Yes, I need this right now, immediately.
Let's make sure next time you are ready. These phrases are natural, confident, and not too forward, perfect for a first conversation.
Everyone, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go. So, Jake, you are at the bus stop. You see someone you like. The very first step, you need a reason to start talking. The most natural opener is, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
Excuse me, is this seat taken? That is asking if the seat next to them is free?
Exactly. It is polite, natural, and gives you a reason to stand close and start a conversation. Even if there is no seat, it breaks the silence. They will usually smile and say, "No, go ahead."
Excuse me, is this seat taken? Simple and not too forward. I like it.
Good. Now you are standing next to them, you need something to talk about. Look around. What are they wearing? What are they reading? What are they listening to? And you say, "You have great taste."
You have great taste. Like, I like what you are wearing or reading?
Exactly. If they are wearing nice shoes, you have great taste in shoes. If they are reading a book you have great taste in books. It's a warm compliment that opens the door for more conversation.
You have great tastes. That feels confident, but not too much, not weird.
Right, it's friendly and genuine. Now the conversation is started. The next step is to find out a little more about them. You ask, "Are you from around here?"
Are you from around here? That means, do you live in this area?
Exactly. It's a very casual and natural question. It shows you are curious about them, and it keeps the conversation going easily.
Are you from around here? And if they say yes, great, you can talk about the neighborhood. If they say no, even better, you can ask where they're from.
Perfect. You are already thinking like a conversation expert. Now, the big moment. You like this person, the bus is coming soon, you want to see them again. You say, "Can I get your number?"
Can I get your number? That is asking for their phone number.
Yes, short, direct, and very natural. In the US, people say this all the time. "Can I get your number?" or "Can I get your Instagram?"
Can I get your Instagram? Oh, that is more common now, maybe. A lot of people share Instagram first.
Exactly, especially for younger people. "Can I get your Instagram?" is very natural and a little more casual than asking for a phone number.
Can I get your number? Can I get your Instagram? Both are good, depending on the situation.
Right, and if they say yes, perfect. If they say no, that's okay too. You smile and say, "No worries, it was really nice meeting you."
It was really nice meeting you. That is warm and not awkward at all.
Exactly. It ends the conversation on a good note, no matter what they say. "It was really nice meeting you," and you walk away confident.
It was really nice meeting you. I love that. Even if they say no, I still leave feeling okay.
That is the most important thing. Confidence comes from knowing what to say, whatever happens. Okay, Jake, let's do the role play. I'm the person at the bus stop. You come up to me. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready. I'm nervous, but ready.
Haha, you've got this.
Um, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, go ahead.
Thanks. Hey, I really like your book. You have great taste.
Oh, thank you so much. It's one of my favorites.
What is it about?
It's about a woman who travels the world alone. Very inspiring.
Oh, wow, that sounds really interesting. Are you from around here?
I just moved here, actually, about 2 months ago.
Oh, nice. How do you like it so far?
I really love it. The people are so friendly.
That's great. The bus is coming soon, but can I get your Instagram? I would love to talk more.
Ah, sure. It's at alice.english.
Thank you. It was really nice meeting you.
You too. See you around.
That felt so real, and I actually felt confident saying it.
Because you knew what to say. That's everything. When you have the right words, confidence just comes naturally.
I wish I had known this at the bus stop this morning.
Next time you will. Shall we go over the phrases one more time?
Yes.
Excuse me, is this seat taken? The most natural and polite way to start a conversation with a stranger.
Excuse me, is this seat taken? Low pressure, very friendly opener.
You have great taste, a warm compliment that opens the door for more conversation.
You have great taste. Confident but not too much. Perfect first compliment.
Are you from around here? A casual question that keeps the conversation going naturally.
Are you from around here? Easy and curious. Works in any situation.
Can I get your number? Or can I get your Instagram? Direct, natural, and confident.
Can I get your Instagram? Short and simple. No long speech needed.
And always finish with, "It was really nice meeting you," whatever their answer.
It was really nice meeting you. Warm, confident, no awkwardness. I love this one.
Every phrase today is short and clear, no big speeches, no complicated words, just real, confident English for a real moment. That's English Unfolded.
I feel so ready now. Next bus stop, I'm a different person.
Go get 'em, Jake. Everyone at home, you did so well today, and we have a question for you.
Leave a comment below. Have you ever talked to a stranger you liked? What happened? Tell us in English.
We love reading your stories. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go.
Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.